Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn Easy. In this video, we have moved to the fourth exercise, that is exercise 2.4 from the chapter Fractions and Decimals from class 7 NCERT Mathematics textbook. Let us go ahead. If you haven't seen the 2.1, 2.2 and 2.3, you can check the description boxes for the links. Also, if you like this video, please hit the like button and share the video with your friends and your classmates, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to get the updates. Let us start with 2.4 with the first question. This exercise is based on division of fractions, right? So let us start with the very first question from on the screen for all of us is find 12 divided by 3 by 4. Now when we have questions related to division, then what happens is after division, whichever fraction is there, we round it, we reciprocal it, and then we remove, rather replace the sign of division with the multiplication, right? So that means first digit remains the same, that is 12 multiplied by 4 upon 3, right? If I have a look on the second one, I want to remove the division sign. It will be 14 multiplied by 6 upon 5, right? Let's move to the third one, that is 8 multiplied by 3 upon 7, okay? And the fourth one will be 4 multiplied by 3 upon 8. तो मैंने क्या करा, सेकंड वाली फ्रैक्शन को कर दिया उसका रेसिप्रोकल, राइट? ऐसे ही रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे तभी हम डिवीजन के साइन को मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कन्वर्ट कर पाएंगे. नाउ 3 1s are 3 4s are, so 4 into 4 is 16, right? This is the answer for the first part. Second, 14 into 6 upon 5, nothing can be reduced here, right? So answer for the second part will be 14 into 6 is 84 upon 5. You can convert it into mixed fraction, that is 5 ones are 5, 34, 5 6 are 30 and 4. So this is the answer for the second part. Let's move on to the third one, that is 8 3s are 24 upon 7. Nothing can be reduced here again. So 7 3s are 21 and 3 upon 7. Again, here we can see that 4 and 8 are multiples. So 4 1s are, 4 2s are. So that is 3 upon 8, which is equals to 2 1 by 2. So these are the solutions of the 4 parts. I hope it is clear with all of you. Okay, let's move forward. Fifth part. So 3 divided by 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7 upon 3. इसको हम कैसे solve करेंगे? 3 multiplied by 3 upon 7. Let's come to the sixth one, that is 5 divided by 7 3s are 21 plus 4 25 upon 7. To remove the division sign is 5 into 7 upon 25. So 5 ones are, 5 5s are. So that becomes 7 upon 5. 7 upon 5 will be written as 5 1 2 1 2 by 5. We have not completed the fifth part. Let us quickly complete. 3 3s are 9, 9 upon 7. Improper, 7 1s are 7 plus 2 is 9. So that is 1 2 upon 7 is the correct answer for the fifth part, right? Let us move forward. Second, find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Also classify the reciprocals as proper fractions, improper fractions and whole numbers, right? So first I am going to perform the reciprocal of all the parts, right? So reciprocal for the first part, we will invert numerator and denominator are interchange. रेसिप्रोकल का मतलब होता है न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर बन जाता है और डिनोमिनेटर बन जाता है न्यूमरेटर. So that means 3 upon 7 को हम करेंगे 7 upon 3. Second, 5 upon 8 will become 8 upon 5. Third, 9 upon 7 becomes 7 upon 9. and the fourth one 6 upon 5 will become 5 upon 6. So let us quickly now classify them as proper and improper and whole number. So when numerator is greater than the denominator, it will become as improper fraction. You need to mention that since numerator is greater than denominator, it is an improper fraction, right? Let's move to the next one, that is again numerator is greater than denominator, again it has become as improper fraction. Let's look at the third one, that is 7 upon 9. So yes, the numerator is less than denominator, so it is a proper fraction where numerator is less than denominator. Same here, 5 upon 6, 5 is less than 6, numerator is less than 6. D, that is the denominator, so again it is also a proper fraction. We do not have any whole number in the first to fourth parts. Let us move forward. Okay, let me check here. Again I am going to first write the reciprocals. So the reciprocal for the fifth part will be 7 upon 12. For the sixth part it will be 8 upon 1, which is equals to 8, and the seventh part 1 upon 11 is 11 upon 1, which is equal to 11. So when I am going to now classify it, 7 upon 12, again numerator is less than denominator, that it will be a proper fraction. If I say 8 upon 1, 8. So since we have a denominator equal to 1, so it will be a whole number, right? Here also denominator is equals to 1 after the reciprocal, so we have got as whole number, right? I hope these things are clear with all of you. Let's move forward. Find. Again it's division. पहले whole number first वाले question में पहले right side था, अब यहाँ पे सॉरी पहले लेफ्ट साइड था, अब यहाँ पे आ गया राइट साइड पे. आइए देखते हैं कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे. सो 7 अपॉन 3, डिविजन के साइन को हटाने के मल्टीप्लाई, 2 के नीचे कोई नहीं है तो दैट इज 1 अपॉन 2. लेट मी सॉल्व इट. सेकंड को रिड्यूस सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. 4 अपॉन 9, डिविजन के साइन को हटाने के लिए मल्टीप्लिकेशन. अगेन 5 के नीचे कोई डिनोमिनेटर नहीं है, दैट इज 1, तो 1 अपॉन 5 इसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. थर्ड क्या कहता है हमको, 6 अपॉन 13 मल्टीप्लाई, डिविजन का कोई साइन नहीं है, दैट मीन 7 अपॉन 1 मतलब 1 अपॉन 7, राइट? सो 7 1 जा 7, 3 2 जा 6. So 6 1 1 by 6 is the correct answer. मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में करेंगे जरूर इसे हम. अगेन हियर 4 1 जा 4, 9 5 जा 45, 6 1 जा 6, 13 7 जा, बताओ जी 13 7 से क्या होता है 91, right? So since second and third parts were already that numerator was less than denominator, we do not need to convert as it is already a proper fraction. हमेशा ध्यान रखें, इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन को हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे मिक्स में, बट हम प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन को कभी मिक्स में कन्वर्ट नहीं करेंगे, राइट? ओके, लेट्स मूव फर्दर. फोर्थ पार्ट. So the fourth one, let me mix को 3 4 so 12 plus 1 13 upon 3 divided by 3. Fifth part, 3 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 2 divided by 4. And the sixth one is 7 4 is 28 plus 3 31 upon 7 divided by 7, right? Let's now remove the division sign. 13 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3, so that is 13 1 is 13, 3 3 is 9. I'm leaving it for all of you to convert. ठीक है, कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ इसका कन्वर्जन क्या आएगा. Okay, so 7 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 4, here 31 upon 7 multiplied by 1 upon 7. So 7 1 is 7, 4 2 is 8, already is it proper, right? उसके बाद 31 1 is 1, 7 7 is 49. So these are the answers for the fifth and sixth part, and fourth part I expect all of you to give your answer in the comment section. Okay, लेट्स मूव फर्दर. वीडियो को एंड तक देखो, तभी आपको इसका पूरा बेनिफिट मिलेगा, पूरा लाभ उठा पाएंगे इस वीडियो का. आइए देखते हैं आगे. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, फाइंड 2 upon 5। पहले हमारे पास होल नंबर था, या तो राइट साइड था या लेफ्ट साइड। अब हमारे पास आ गया दोनों साइड, क्या आ गया हमारे पास, दोनों साइड हमारे पास आ गई है फ्रैक्शन, राइट। इस फ्रैक्शन को कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे देखते हैं। 2/5 एज इट इज, मल्टीप्लाई 2/1, ठीक है। उसके बाद 2 2 जा 4, 5 1 जा 5 इज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर द फर्स्ट पार्ट। आइए सेकंड देखते हैं। सेकंड का कैसे करेंगे, 4/9 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3/2, बिकॉज 2/3 का रेसिप्रोकल किया। देखो हम यहाँ पे, अब हम करेंगे यहाँ पे कैंसलिंग। कैसे करेंगे कैंसलिंग, देखो 3 1 जा 3, 3 3 जा 9, 2 1 जा 2, 2 जा, राइट। बहुत लाइट कलर है, ओके, आई जस्ट टेक इनटू द माइंड नेक्स्ट टाइम। सो दैट इज 2 1 जा 2, 3 1 जा 3, राइट। थर्ड पार्ट पेंसिल से करेंगे कटिंग, हमेशा ध्यान रखे। 3/7 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 7/8, राइट। 7 1 जा 7 1 जा, 3 and 8 are not multiples of each other, so 3/8 is the correct answer for the third one, right। चलें आगे बढ़े, ओके। फोर्थ पार्ट, 3 2 जा 6 plus 1 7/3 multiplied by 5/3। Fifth part, 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7/2 multiplied by 3/8. So 7 5 is 35, 3 3 is 9. That is 9 4 is 36, तो नहीं कर पाएंगे। 9 3 is 27, 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35, that is बताइए क्या आएगा यहाँ पे। 35 माइनस 9 3 से क्या होता है 27, सो दैट इज 15 है, ये 8 आएगा, so it is 8/9, okay। here 7 7 3 is 21, 2 8 is 16, करेंगे इसको रिड्यूस। 16 16 1 is 16 plus 5 is 21। understood, is it clear to all of you? all right, sixth part। so 2/5, अब हमारे पास कॉम्बिनेशन क्या आ गया, मिक्स फ्रैक्शन का, yes, so that is 2/5 multiplied by, कैसे 2 1 जा 2 प्लस 1 3/2, तो यहाँ पे अभी हम इसको ऐसे ही रहने देते 3/2, so that everybody knows, ठीक है। और सेवेंथ पार्ट, 5 3 15 plus 1 16/5 divided by 3 1 3 plus 2 5 3। Then we have eighth part, 5 2 10 plus 1 11, 11/5 divided by 5 1 5 6/5। Let's move further, 2/5 multiplied by 2/3। Here we have 16/5 divided by 3/5। Then we have 11/5 multiplied, लगेगा मल्टीप्लिकेशन का साइन, दैट इज 5/6। करें इसको सॉल्व, कटिंग करेंगे सारे पार्ट्स में, okay। Let's complete the sixth part first. 2 2s are 4, 5 3s are 15, already in the reduced form। Let's move to the one 16 3s are 3 6 are 18 plus 1 48, 5 5s are 25, करेंगे इसको reduce further, 5 1s are 5 1s are, so 11/6 which is equal to 6 1 5, right। so this is, so please you write in the कमेंट सेक्शन, करें इसको कन्वर्ट मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में और बताओ आप मुझे कि इसका आंसर आपके पास क्या आ रहा है सेवेंथ पार्ट का, राइट। ओके, let me see how many of you are solving with me so that I know how much benefit you all people are utilizing it, right। let's move further। so this was the last question for our exercise, right। question number 3 and 4, so there were total of 4 questions। So thanks for watching this video, friends. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share with your friends. You can find us on Facebook. We have regular quiz, we have regular concerts, contests. So share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel for more updates. Check the description boxes for the links. We are doing class 6th and class 7th NCERT solved solutions. Thank you.